In this video, I will talk about the top 3 altcoins I'm investing right now, which are low cap gems and which have a massive potential for the bull run. The first project I'm talking about is AI Tech. AI Tech is right now on place 327 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap around $120 million. This is one of the smaller AI coins, but it has a massive potential because I think that the AI sector has a very hyped narrative for this bull run, and if the bull run really begins, that we are seeing explosions for this sector. And of course, if AI Tech will be one of the biggest coins in this space, then the chance is really high that we can see massive higher prices. And if you look at the technicals, you can see that at the beginning of the year, we saw this massive explosion. From the bottom to the top, we saw a move about 1000%. And after this, we then saw this massive crash to the downside. And now we came perfectly back into this last demand zone, found here some support. And now the chance is high that we could see the bullish explosion in the near future. And then the chance is really high that we are seeing new all-time highs. And of course, we just have a market cap around $120 million. So we have an easy 10 to 100x potential for this project. So from the fundamentals and from the project, I'm very bullish on this one. And I think from the technicals, we are right now in the perfect position to accumulate some coins. So I'm personally accumulating AI Tech in this region. And I think it will be a really nice investment, especially if we are seeing the confirmation, the bullish confirmation breakout to the upside. The second project I'm talking about is Nero Ethereum. Nero is right now on place 392 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $92 million. And this project could be the new Dogecoin, because if we are looking at Dogecoin, it has a real dog on his symbol coin, and this real dog died last year, and the family which had this dog Dogecoin now bought a new dog named Nero, and this is the coin for this new dog. And as you can see, after the coin got launched, we saw this massive bullish increase. Much money came into the market, and since then, of course, the meme coins and all other coins were going sideways, but we could hold for this very new coin. And what's also very nice is that we have a circulating supply of 100%. So 100% of all coins which are total of Nero are in the supply, which is a really good sign. And I think it can be one of the biggest meme coins in this bull run. If much money comes into the meme coin sector again, I think this will be one of the best performers in this whole sector. And then of course we have a massive potential to the upside. So this could also be an easy 10 to 100x. Or even more if we are reaching the same size as Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. So the first project was in the AI sector, which has a massive potential. Then we have one of the meme coins. And the last project is Koi. Koi is a consumer AI network connecting global extension users on X. So this is an AI gaming project which is backed by Binance. And this project is right now at the pre-sale IDO stage, so you can invest over Ape Terminal or Gate.io in this project. And we already have a big following on Twitter. And this project is like Tamagotchi for the X extension. So if you have an X account and using it for research on crypto or trading, you can also play this game and earn money in cryptocurrencies. And today we saw this announcement that we have 25,000 daily active users, which is really massive for a new coin like Koi. And if we have a look at it, it looks really nice. I also played it sometimes. I think it's very fun and you can earn money and you can compete with your friends. It's really like a small Tamagotchi where you can play. It also have to rest and then you can fight again and also level up your pets and then earn even more money. So I personally think that the game is really fun and it's already working. So there's no much planning or roadmaps or anything. It's right now working very well. And we also got the push from Gate.io. Then it also got pushed by base terminals. So we have much marketing which is made on this project. So on the one side, we have a very nice project and we have very high marketing. And we right now have also a really nice market stage. So if the bull run really begins, then the chance is high that much money comes into the crypto space. And of course, then the chance is really high that Koi can also make really nice profits in the near future because, as I said, it's a really nice gaming and AI project and it's backed by Binance. So I personally see a lot of potential in this project. I'm very excited about the launch. And as you can see, we also see the launch on the 27th. And if you want to invest, you can do this on Ape Terminal or on Gate.io. So guys, in this video, I showed you 3 of my favorite low cap gems. We have one project which is in the AI sector, then we have a meme coin project, and we have this gaming project. And I see a very high potential in these coins. Of course, the chance for a bigger loss is always there if you took smaller coins, but if you invest in some really good smaller coins, then the chance that you can make massive profits is there. So as I said, I'm accumulating these coins right now, and I will hold these projects for the upcoming bull run. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.